Hi! Welcome again to my channel. Morna K is here. So, another day, another OOTD. So, ito pala yung gagamitin ko. I need to, hurry up. Because we going today again to Danang. So, this one, I got this from Shein. So, look. Very, retro. And I don't think this one will going to complement, partners sa iyang, but I will see. I will see how it's gonna look after. But before that, I need to really be quick now. So I'm going to change now, put my clothes on. Wait. So my pants is kasi dirty. So and we're going to Danang and it's a bit cold pa here. Still chilling. So I did not have the chance to dry my hair. But yeah, ito yung top natin. Yes. Wait, ganyan natin para makita. And then yung lotion. Wait lang. Ano ba to? Yung camera ko naka-cinematic ata. Oo, yung lotion. Maglagay pala ako ng lotion. Pero later na lang. Because I need to hurry up. So, where is the, I don't know where is the front and the back. But yeah. Where is the, and the back? I think there's no front. Oh yeah. Maybe it's here. Okay, let's do it. So, I'm gonna wear also my boots today. So, this is how it looks. Pero mag-jacket ako. Yes, of course. Mag-jacket tayo. So, yes. Oh, yeah. Yes. Same siya color sa it's same color with my boots. Yeah, parang maroon na. I don't know. Yeah, it's noise. But I don't really know the top. I think maybe something light or white. I need to look for something white top. Oh, maybe I can use. Okay, I will come back. Okay, but maybe I can use like this. This will be the top, but I need the white thingy. Okay, so I will come back. So I need to wear like this something sa top. Pero I think this one is nice, just like that. But yeah, I need to cover it. Wait lang. Because my nail is long and then it's stuck in my nails because of the something like that. I think so. But I need to. So yeah, so I think like that. Yeah, I think like that will be good. Yeah, I think so. What do you think? And maybe I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use my Yves Saint Laurent. So maybe like this. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below. And this will be my outfit for today.